Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can consolidate multiple platform, multiple test data into a single test case. So uh, if I will go to the scripting mode, firstly you can see here by using this statement I am extracting value from the database. So this is my database file here, and on the basis of this query I am extracting value from the database, and this value is coming from the database. I have already connected with my database via Katalon Studio. So you just need to execute query here, then this data will come from the database. So I am extracting some value from this line, and after that I'm moving to the Excel part. Here I'm extracting value from the Excel and printing the same value. This is my Excel file. The Excel name is ddt.excel. It's there inside my test data file. Inside here I have the Excel file inside this folder, and from here I'm extracting some value from the row number 3. Then uh, then here I'm executing a web service from the Katalon Studio. The web service name is get user. So this is my web service, and this API is sending a request to the server, and then response is coming. So here I'm validating the status code is 200 or not, and here from the API response I'm extracting a value of email, and then I'm printing the value. After that here I'm launching a healthcare application, and here again I'm extracting some value from the healthcare GUI. One is the DB DR name, and second one is the web patient name. Again I'm printing both of the value into a console. And finally this is my Salesforce part. Here I'm calling two test case. One is login into the Salesforce, second one is create a lead. Here I'm using all the value whatever I have extracted from the different platform, different test data. So here I'm passing the DB name, passing the API value, Excel value, and the web value, web patient name. So let me run this test case, and after that once the test execution is done, then I can show you Katalon is printing all the value inside the console as well. So let's go to the console. Okay, now here you can say the value which is coming from the database is Abhishek, and the value coming from the Excel is John Doe. After that this is my email address which is coming from the API. Then it's launching the healthcare application for me. It's here. So I will extract some value from this application. Alright, it's done, and here you can see. Okay, let it complete first, then I can show you all the value in the console. So now here in this platform Salesforce application I am using all the extracted value. This Abhishek is coming from the database, Sophia is coming from the Excel, this Joy is coming from the GUI, and then here this email address is coming from the API. And finally my test case done successfully. And if you want to see the value, you can say this Abhishek is from the let me come from Abhishek is from the database, test value from the database, test value from the Excel is this, and then this is the API value, this one. And after that I'm extracting some value from the web like Chris and this Sophia which I'm using inside the Salesforce, and this is all the staff for the Salesforce application. Thank you.